Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Cookie, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Feel free to pause the video, attempt the question and come back to the video. Alright, so let's get right into today's question. The question is on quadratic. It says we should find the factors of 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. So our solution to this simple problem is the first thing is we have the expression 2x squared plus 5x minus 3, right? So we want to write the general form of quadratic expressions, which is ax squared plus what bx plus what c, all right? So what does this mean? We can see that our a stands for what? 2, our b stands for what? 5, and our c stands for what? Minus 3. So let's quickly bring that out. So my a is 2, our B is plus 5 or 5, our C is what? Minus 3. So the next step you want to take is you want to multiply your A times C. So A times C, okay? So that will give us our A is 2 times C is minus what? 3. So 2 times minus 3 is going to give us what? Minus 6. Now the idea is this. You want to look for two numbers that their sum is going to give you what? Plus 5. And their product is going to give you what? Minus what? 6. So when you get those two numbers, you are going to use them to replace all this. So all we are going to do is we have to find the factors of what? 6. So 6, we have 1 times what? 6. Under two factors are 2 and times what? 3. So these are all the numbers that are the factors of this 6, which we have to now investigate with science, which two numbers here can replace this such that their sum will give us plus 5 and their product will give us what? Minus what? 6. So let's do our careful investigation. All right. If you can remember, the first two factors I got was 1 and what? 6. So all we need to do is we are going to add signs. Let's see. If I have 1 and 6. So if I have plus 1 and plus 6. Plus 1 times plus 6 is not going to give me what? Minus 6. So this will not work. Let's say if we have minus 1 and plus 6. Minus 1 times plus 6 will give me this, yes. But minus 1 and plus 6, is it also going to add to give me this? The question is, the answer is yes. All right, because minus 1 plus 6 is going to give us what? Plus what? 5. All right, and minus 1 times plus 6 is going to give me minus 6. So these will work out. So all we need to do is we are going to put in place of what? Our 5x, okay, these two values. So let's do that. So I'm going to write all these as, okay, so we have 2x squared. So I can put this as plus 6x. This is minus 1x. We can also write it as minus x. So minus 1x is still minus x. And we have minus what? 3. Okay. So having written that down, we are now going to what? Factorize. Now what is common here and here? 2 is common between the numbers 2 and 6. So 2 is going to come out. X squared and x. So x is common. So I'm going to divide this by what? 2x plus 6x. I'm also going to divide by 2x. Now for this minus x minus 3, what is common? Okay, we can have just minus 1. Okay, it's common there because I have minus 1 here and minus 1 times 3 here. Okay, so we are going to divide this by what? 1, and we are going to divide minus 3 by what? 1. But this is no longer going to be what? Minus. It's going to be plus. Because if this is plus, this has to be plus. Because your minus times your plus wants to give you minus here. So you have to take note. These two signs must be the same when you're factorizing. Okay? So 2 is going to cancel out 2 is 1, 1. X is going to cancel out 1 here. So we are left with 1x. So we have 2x multiplied by x plus, okay? So 2 is going to cancel out 6 is 3. X is going to cancel out x is 1, 1. So we are left with just 3. So we have minus 1 into what? Okay, we have x, okay, plus 1 into 3 is also 3. All right. Now that we've gotten this expression, something is still common. Okay. So x plus 3 is common, x plus 3 is common. So we are going to also factor out x plus 3. So let's do that quickly. So to factor out x plus 3, okay, I'm going to write my x plus 3, okay. So x plus 3 comes out. So x plus 3 is going to divide all this. So I have 2x, x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. Okay. For this part, we have is what? Minus 1 into x plus 3 divided by what? X plus 3. So let's see what this is going to give us when we cancel out. So I think this is going to cancel. This is 1, 1. This will cancel. This is 1, 1. So we are left with x plus 3 multiply. All that is left here is 2x minus what? All that is left here is 1. So these are 2x minus 1 multiply x plus 3 gives us a solution to this problem. So the factors of these are 2x minus 1 and what? 2 and x plus what? 3. So that gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, send the link of this YouTube channel to somebody that may be of help to. It could be a student, family, or friend. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.